Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for food stamps, also known as SNAP in Georgia. So to apply for SNAP, you can choose from three options. You can uh, send it by online, by email, or in person. And the easiest way is to apply online using the Georgia's gateway. And let me show you how this is the Georgia gateway here. You just visit the website, create an account, fill out the information and submit your application. So you can also apply via mail, just fill out your form and submit it here, or you can go to the office and apply in person. Now, so be sure to gather all the necessary documents like you will need your proof of identity, social security number, and household income. If you are applying for senior SNAP, which is right here, then you need additional details about social security income will be needed. Now, if you prefer, you can apply by mail. Just simply download the form application. Just need to click on your application in English. The form will be downloaded. This will look something like this. And this is the form. You can fill it out online, or you can print it out and fill it out, then send it to the office. And after submitting your application, a DFCS manager case manager will interview you. This can be done either over the phone or in person. And so be ready to answer questions about your household's income and expenses. Once your case is processed, you will receive a SNAP benefits on an EBT card within 30 days. If you qualify for expanded benefits, you may receive help in as little as 7 days. Finally, if you're unsure about your application status, just log back into Georgia Gateway and or contact your local DFCS office for updates.